Let me show you how to install a printer driver and also how to print from any Samsung Galaxy S10 series tablet. So first we want to basically connect our printer by going to in the settings, click connections, and you see if you click on more connection settings you can select this printing, and next we simply need to download the plugin for your printer. So click this here. And over here you see you have all the most common printers here. So simply select your printer essentially here. So for example, if you have this, simply click install here and it will get installed essentially. So again, all services. Then after you actually install your printer, so if you have wireless connection, so you see you can easily connect that. And if you want to print something basically, so for example from if you have some documents or any images you want to print basically, so you see for example you can simply go in the gallery, and if you click these three dots here, click print, and then simply click over here, and once you actually connect your printer here, basically you'll be able to click and actually print from there. Okay, good luck.